What?
George, I never heard it snore before.
I wish you would have kept going.
Me too. Okay.
Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you go, George. Keep going, George. I didn't know he snored so loud. Let's go, George. Let's go, George.
You're on a roll.
That was a big one.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, they keep getting increasingly louder. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I think he's moving closer to the mic. I can't stop laughing.
Come on.
Keep it up, come on. Or listen, join in.
See, this is the benefit to outlasting your friends.
God.
Oh my gosh, George.
It's so much funnier when someone else is hearing.
It's just like, it's like wet now. It's like,
You should scream.
listen. Ugh. Yeah, that's nasty.
Oh, that's disgusting. It's like snot and everything. Oh, this is gonna get annoying.
Oh my gosh.
Whoop. George is definitely
Sam, were you recording any of that? Okay. I cannot wait to tell George tomorrow. I'm so angry.
Oh god.
Hi, George.
George is always the one like doing stupid stuff like that.
Oh my gosh. That one was weird.
They're all weird.
Oh.
I'm so glad I don't fall asleep easily.
Okay, it's got annoying. How was Wilson not awake from this?
I don't know.
Oh my.
This always happens. Jesus.
I bet you if we yell his name enough, he'll wake up.
Do it.
We do it too.
I can't. I'm gonna get in trouble with my grandma.
I mean, don't scream, but just say it.
George.
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 George. George.
George.
George. George. George. George. George. George. George. Spam text.
George.
George, it was Carla. Carla. George.
It's getting harder. George.
George, it was Carla. She Snapchatted me.
George. Hurry.
George, it was Carla. Oh. Oh, here we go. George.
Oh, I hear it.
Oh my god. George.
George.
Carla texted us, George. George, it was Carla. Holy freaking George, wake up. George, there's something really important to say, George. If you wake up only though, George.
George, come on.
Oh my god. Stop snoring. Don't even wake up, just stop snoring.
Let's change his dreams. Okay, what should his dream be about?
Carla. No, it's probably already about that. Alyssa.
George, think about Alyssa. And her big butt. George, imagine her butt calling you an idiot. Oh god.
It's funny that the snort just got really weird there. He actually sounds like a pig. He genuinely sounds like a pig.
It's just a
No.
prank, bro.
And George, don't get mad about it. You've been snoring for like 15 minutes, man. Oh my gosh, George. Shut up. George, can you please stop snoring? With an ice cream sundae at the pier with Carla.
George, we're recording. Come on.
George, we're recording you right now. It's gonna be on the channel. You snoring is gonna be all over the channel, man.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Wake up, George! God!
Can we post a video on the channel?
1 snore, yes. 2 snores, no.
That's 1. You post it.
Okay.
You won't get angry.
You won't get angry.
Pretty sure he's been snoring for like 20 minutes now. 25. Why are you even snoring? Why can't you just sleep?
George, you said, when I asked you if you snored, you said no.
Pretty sure this is like snoring, so. Okay, I can't take it anymore. Bye, George. Oh, here, one more time.
Oh my god. Thank God
Oh
it's
my
over.
god. That was loud. Thanks for watching. Click the video on the left to see our last video and be sure to like and subscribe.